So as a quick introduction, I'm Hubert from 3D Content Online, and I'm putting together a little playlist of very short tips that can help a 3D artist increase sales of 3D content online. I've seen a significant increase on my sales recently, and I've just implemented a number of small considerations. Quite easy to implement. They're quite straightforward, but they do help a lot. So this video series will not deal with where to sell content. There are a lot of videos of that already, but it deals with how to sell 3D content, which is fundamentally a different topic entirely. So stay tuned, hit the bell button, subscribe if you want. Topic number 1, reach. Now the aim of increasing your reach is basically an increase in discoverability. I've seen recently from my analytics a 20% increase in views on my 3D model from Google searches, and that's happened because of widening or spreading the reach on my 3D models. The way that I'm approaching that at the moment is uploading, let's call it help content or auxiliary content with backlinks to my 3D model. Say for instance I upload a 3D model, then I will go and upload renders of that model to Adobe Behance with backlinks to the 3D site. Secondly, Artstation, again backlinks to the 3D site. If you are a 3D artist, you should be on Artstation. They're picking up speed at a massive pace, a very popular site with a lot of traffic on it. And I can see from my YouTube analytics there's a lot of traffic coming from Artstation. So get your models or renders onto Artstation with links to your 3D site. And then finally is uploading a video walkthrough of a model, any model on YouTube, with backlinks to the 3D models on CGTrader or whatever platform you are selling on, in the description area. The second topic is upsell your models. And what does upsell mean? Well, it's basically this: you're selling something at a certain price, but you're positioning it close to something more expensive, or you're making a more expensive but relevant model a little bit more enticing, and people come for a smaller model with a smaller price tag but leave or check out a bigger model with a bigger price tag. The way that I upsell my models is in the YouTube 3D model walkthrough that's linked to my 3D model site. Any model that is part of a collection or could possibly be part of a collection. In CGTrader you've got this functionality of grouping number of models together and making a collection. So you'll be selling the individual models, but you're also selling a collection. So in YouTube, where I do my video walkthrough of each 3D model, in the description area I'll backlink that to the 3D model on CGTrader, and when someone follows that link they'll see on the right hand side in the panel on CGTrader that this model is part of a larger collection of relevant models. And what I found a lot is people come looking at a smaller model with a small price tag, and then they pick up that this is part of a collection, and because it's relevant to them for what they are creating, they often check out the bigger but relevant pack of models. So topic number 3 is automation. How do I automate certain processes so that I can spend more time as a creative? And the most time-consuming process in this 3D pipeline is possibly the uploading process, if you do it well. And the idea is to win back some of that time. So here are a couple of things that I normally do in the upload process. Number 1, I will keep a Google Drive template that has standardized descriptions pertaining to model formats, UVWs, unwrap states, image sizes, texture sizes, all of that as a standard template. And I keep that in Google Drive. Whenever I upload a 3D model, I simply go and paste that description into the new 3D format or 3D model being uploaded and change the relevant content. Next one is keywording. I simply use the Microstock keywording tool, because that allows me to strip metadata from images that are relevant or similar to your model. It'll basically go and look for an online search of similar images to your renders, and you take the keywords that is entered as metadata and apply them to your 3D model. It saves a lot of time, but the keywords are very close to what they should be, and very often there are only small edits needed, if needed at all. And then lastly, when it comes to your renders, specific sites have specific requirements. CGTrader has a thumbnail crop area. I have a standard Photoshop file for CGTrader, and I have a standard Photoshop file for Blender Market, because those two are very different upload templates. But I render as PNG irrespective, and I can use that PNG on either one of those Photoshop files with guides in place, and it'll always be correct. So topic number 4 is increase your potential to earn. What I mean by that is you've created this 3D model of a high quality, you put a lot of time into it, and it's a valuable piece of content. You want to ideally enhance its ability to sell, or you want to have it create multiple streams of revenue. You want to essentially earn as much off that model as you possibly can earn. So what I do here is that I take my 3D models, I sell them on CGTrader, because that's the platform that I get the best royalties on. Then I'll take the 3D model, I'll do renders of them, renders that make sense, and put those renders on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock and a couple of others. By the way, if you're uploading to those, use a multi-uploader called Xpix. It's a fantastic uploader, and it'll enable you to upload once. It'll distribute to all the stock image sites that you allow it to distribute to. And then lastly, I also render animations of the models where it makes sense in terms of computing power. Those animations I'll sell as stock video. I'll submit that to Blackbox.global. There's a link in the description. Go and find the link and check out for yourself. Now, Blackbox is powerful because it submits to 5 of the biggest stock agencies in terms of video sales. Video sales are very popular online right now. If you're not selling video, you should be selling video if you're a creative that's interested in passive income. And they submit your 3D animations to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, Vimeo Stock, and Storyblocks. Now, those are the big 5. So get your content to earn multiple streams of revenue. There's no way that you can't, or no reason that you shouldn't be earning content from 3D sales, content from 2D sales, i.e. Shutterstock and others, and content from video sales, i.e. Blackbox or whatever platform you choose. So topic number 5 is customer rewards. And the aim here is to generate repeat purchases, to reward customers for certain actions. I reward a customer for 2 instances. Number 1, if a customer buys something, I'll use the contact form in CGTrader, which is a platform that I've chosen. I'll reward a customer through that. I'll copy paste a simple email from Google Drive into the contact form saying a quick thank you for the model. Just exchange the model name in the contact form with a discount coupon that I generate on CGTrader and saying thank you for the purchase. I found in that way customers have come back and bought similar or relating content. Second instance I'll reward a customer is when a customer rates a model. Now, ratings is obviously very important for your sales. And the aim here is to get those customers to come back to your store. Now, obviously, the way that people shop 3D models are important to consider here. People that are buying, for instance, a shop interior will not use a discount coupon to buy a pack of medieval armor. They'll probably buy something that'll complement what they've just bought. So they'll buy a shop interior and they might buy outdoor signs for that shop, or they might buy product for that shop. They will spend it in a way that is related to their first purchase, but in that way I have found a number of repeat purchases. And the aim here is to rather reward someone for a purchase than discount something up front. Remember, when you're discounting something up front, You're selling high quality work at a low price. Rather reward someone after a sale rather than undermining or undercutting your own work. Thanks for watching this. It was a pleasure to put together. This was my first video, so I'm asking that you just in the comments, if there's ways that you see that I can improve this video, drop me a comment. I'm open to suggestions. Some of you guys have been doing this for a while. I haven't, and I'm happy to learn from you as fellow creators. If it was helpful, let me know. If there was tips that you can apply, let me know.